So if you're looking for an AI like ChatGPT to have locally on your PC and for 100% free and with no limitations, then I can really go and recommend this GPT for all. It is really just a desktop app where you can go and download different kind of models. But I will show you how it works. So the first thing you have to do is to go and download it for Windows if you have a Windows computer. And when that is downloaded, you can just go and install it. It is a very simple installation. I already have it installed, but you can just go and click it and run through the installation. So once you are through the installation, you will get this window inside the desktop app, and you do really have some different choices here. You can go and start chatting, but before you can do that, you need to go and find a model that you want to chat with. So just go to find model, and at this moment there is this Reasoner V1. I would actually just go and recommend the Llama 3 here instead, because it is actually very fast to go and make responses. You do also have two different kind of DeepSeek that you can go and install. You have this one, and you also have this one. So just to test it out, you could go and just download this Llama 3. And you just go and say download on it, and it just takes some time depending on your internet connection. But once it is downloaded, you can go over to the chats, and when you have created a new chat, I do think it's just default, it will say new chat here. You can go and choose a model. So in this case, I have these two models installed right now. I will say that DeepSeek is a little bit slower than Llama 3. But I do also think it is a little bit more powerful. But let's go and click on Llama 3 here. So now you can go and send a message. Let's just say, can you help me? And then I'll say send. And you can see it actually gave a response very fast. And to go and learn more about the different AIs that you can use, then you can actually just ask it. For example, say, what are you good at as an AI? And just go and send it. And you could also go and ask what the weakness is of this, and actually go and compare them, because they will be pretty honest. So the thing about this is, when you say you want to open a new chat, and let's say that I want to open DeepSeek R1 here, you could see it will need to load first. And it's because you can only have like one AI open at a time. So when I go back to the other chat here, you can see we have to reload Llama 3. So you cannot just go back and forward, you have to reload them every time. There is also a lot of settings inside the GPT for all. If you go to settings, you can go and change the theme to like dark theme instead. You can also go and change the font size. I have it to large right now, so you could see it a little bit better. And it's also here you can go and set your default language. And if you go and want to be a little bit more technical, if you scroll down to the bottom here, you come to the advanced settings. Then you can actually go and connect to your GPT for all AI with, for example, C# or Python, by go and create a local API server. So when you click this on, you opened a server on your computer here where you can go and make HTTP requests to. So just to show you how it works, you can really go to their website here and go and say docs. And then you can go down to this API server, because from in here you can then go and say API endpoints. So this is actually the endpoints that you need to go and connect to the server. And you do also have like an example here, which say that you have to specify the model that you want to connect to, and then you can go and ask it a question. But yeah, it was just to show you that there is a lot of possibilities by having it local. And of course, when you write to it, there is really no limitations other than your own hardware. So let's say that you cannot get this to run, then you might probably have to go and upgrade your graphic card or CPU. But yeah, that was actually it for this video. I hope you could use this, and else just go and have a nice day. Bye.